Mirrors in Feng Shui design. Best placement and mistakes. Do you have a mirror facing your bed or your main door? You may be unknowingly doubling negative energy or bouncing away abundance. In this video, I'll show you 3 common mirror placement mistakes and the exact positions that attract wealth, harmony, and good sleep. Mirrors are powerful tools in Feng Shui. They reflect energy, expand space, and when used right, they can double your wealth qi. But placed incorrectly, they cause restlessness, tension in relationships, and even money loss. This reminds me of the question I asked in the comments. Go check it and see if your mirror is making any of these mistakes. We hang mirrors without a second thought. But in Feng Shui, every mirror becomes a silent amplifier of energy. When it reflects clutter, toilets, or your sleeping self, it magnifies the wrong type of qi. Think of it like this: a mirror never lies. It shows exactly what energy you're projecting back into your life. Top 3. Mirror mistakes. Mistake 1. Mirror facing the bed. This causes disturbed sleep and relationship tension. It symbolically doubles the number of people in the bed, often said to invite a third party into your relationship. Fix. Remove it or cover it at night. Mistake 2. Mirror facing the main door. Qi enters through your front door. A mirror directly opposite bounces it out, keeping abundance away. You may feel like money or opportunities slip through your fingers. Fix. Move it sideways or place a crystal near the door to balance energy. Mistake 3. Mirrors reflecting clutter, toilets, or sharp edges. Whatever a mirror reflects, it doubles. If it reflects chaos, garbage bins, or toilets, you're doubling problems. Fix. Let it reflect beautiful things: plants, art, a clean dining area. Best mirror placements. 1. Opposite a window with greenery or water. Reflecting nature invites in the wood or water element. Both support growth and flow. 2. Dining table area. Symbolically doubles food, abundance, and family togetherness. 3. In small hallways or narrow spaces. Expands the space and encourages qi to move freely. 4. Southeast for wealth or north for career. Use round or oval mirrors here to enhance money flow and professional growth. 5. Behind a stove, if kitchen is cramped. In some Feng Shui schools, this is used to double resources, but only if it's clean and doesn't reflect clutter. Here's what changed my client's life. She moved one large mirror out of her bedroom and shifted it to reflect her indoor plant display in the southeast. In 45 days, she reported improved sleep and unexpected freelance income. It wasn't the mirror, it was how it was placed. If you want to go deeper, watch my full video on Feng Shui Wealth Corner activation. It explains why your southeast zone should be clutter-free and mirror-ready. Mirrors don't just reflect, they multiply. So ask yourself, what energy are they multiplying in your life? By correcting just one mirror placement, you're not just fixing your home, you're resetting your energy blueprint. Comment below. Which mirror are you planning to move first? Or are you unsure if it's well placed? Subscribe for weekly Feng Shui videos that help your space support your success. Watch this next. Stop placing your money plant in these 5 spots. Your mirror and your plant may be working against each other without you knowing. Now go answer that question I pinned. Your home's energy depends on it.